Hey guys, we're doing something a little different today. We're gonna be opening up, well actually Mariel, why don't you tell them? Mariel, my lovely wife, and Santa's little helper here, she has a separate YouTube channel where we open up things like, well, Amazon returns pallets, lost mail, luggage, lost luggage. I think that inspired today's video, so can you tell them about it?
So I decided for Ryan's channel that we are going to buy bundles of lost luggage that are specifically graphic tees so that we can see what real people like you and him are buying and maybe find some new trends.
All right, let's see if we can spot trends in lost luggage, or perhaps people just didn't want their luggage back and they hate these t-shirts and maybe that's why we're opening them today. Who knows? We don't know. All right.
You ready, Squirrel?
All right, buddy, thanks.
Ready.
All right, I have the first bag right here. And the first t-shirt is a Comfort Colors t-shirt. So they have good taste in at least the shirt. All right, what did I get? I can't see.
Not all heroes wear capes, ours just roll to the rescue. It is a
Paralympics, right? Isn't that what it's called?
I think so. I'm scared to say
I know, me too.
I'm scared to say.
Handy capable. I'm gonna beat you over that. Don't say the wrong thing. Yeah, I think it's the Paralympics, the wheelchair basketball.
Okay.
And it's Bubba, number 13. All right, hey, by the way, that's a niche. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
That's an easily
that is
overlooked
totally
niche,
a niche.
right? Oh, I want to sell in the basketball niche. Well, how about wheelchair basketball? Like there's some percentage of people, and it's probably very large, like thousands and thousands, if not tens of thousands, that this would appeal to.
I know. I told you we might find some good trends in here. Okay, mine, first one. Oh, you see, this is always a trend, by the way. Rosé all day.
Oh yeah, that's like one of those evergreens that just.
Yeah. Massive sales potential on
you
rosé
could
all
make
day.
multiple sales every day of the year selling shirts that just say rosé all day.
And just switch up the design. Like they went simple but created like a beachy design. Like see how it's kind of like slightly beachy with the blue waves?
I was gonna say about this too, like have you ever considered starting like a one product Shopify store? Like I think you could start a Shopify store with just rosé all day products. Right? Like you could do the shirts in different designs, the wine tumblers.
Yeah, absolutely.
Posters,
like take that same
hats.
design and apply it to every product type you can think of.
Yo, that would be a good test. Let's do it.
Also, how much do you think someone paid for this shirt?
They left the tag?
They left the tag is still on.
The fact that you asked, I'm gonna say 45 bucks.
36, which is still higher than the retail pricing that you guys would be charging on POD. And this is a POD shirt. I mean,
all right, guys, up your prices. $36. All right, next one. By the way, our other dogs are upstairs, so you can hear them in the background. They're doing a shout out. This is a big shirt.
Oh, but it kind of looks super fly.
What does it say?
Civil regime. And it's got a peace sign with $100 bills on fire. That's actually kind of fly.
I like that. Okay.
And what does it say?
Was that a brand? The brand is called Civil Regime, or is that Livel? Let's see. Civil Regime.
Livel regime.
Hey, I'm just saying, it's kind of low-key like a Bitcoiner shirt, right? With the money getting burned on fire.
Who's faded youth? It says faded youth. Burn, baby, burn.
So it's just...
And then there's some like sayings on it.
Yeah, the bottom of the shirt, maybe it'll give us some clues. There may be chaos still around the world, this little world that in my thinking lies. For mine own bosom is the paradise where all my life's fair visions are unfurled. Within my nature's shell I slumber, curled, unmindful of the changing outer skies, where now, perchance, some newborn Eros flies, or some old Kronos from his throne is hurled. I heed them not, or if the subtle night haunt me with deities I never saw. Did we just read some killer's like manifesto? Now I'm wondering if we should edit this out. Get this shirt out of here.
It's a peace sign though with money on fire, which just goes to show money is the root of all evil, but increase your POD pricing.
No, the best sign ever. Money is the root of all evil. Rid yourself or something. What did it say?
Cleanse yourself.
Cleanse yourself.
Here.
All right, go ahead. What's next?
Okay.
I like that. That's a Bitcoiner shirt. That's how I'm gonna remember that shirt. All right, it's dripping.
Ooh,
got that drip.
Yeah.
All right, the brand of the shirt is Fashion Nova. Fashion Nova.
But in all honesty, I don't know if you guys have seen this. If you guys are doing your own like shirt printing, it is so easy to get the labels and a little Cricut iron. And I see so many brands just ironing on their own label. They cut off the Gildan tags, they cut off the Comfort Color tags, and they literally just iron in their own logo. And it's as simple as that. So these could be Gildan's and Comfort Colors and Bella Canvas based shirts, but it's just being removed and added on their own.
And Printful, honestly, because I don't think for most people that watch my channel, it's like we want to outsource everything. Printful can do it for you.
Yeah, I saw that on one of their options. They can brand your shirts.
So when we start our Rose All Day brand,
Whoa.
the tags, we'll have Printful customize the tags. All right, what's this next one look like?
It says La Familia with a rose and asphalt and lightning.
Yeah, these are like real graphic tees. And then it says as the brand La Familia Forever, medium. Interesting.
Maybe I should give that to my dad for Christmas for his new brand, La Familia something.
Oh my gosh, yeah, her dad's trying to start a new brand literally called like La Familia. Or what is it?
Familia, La Familia.
It had like an Italian spin on it. Not in the print on demand space though.
Yeah, it's in the ready to eat meal space.
Did we save it for
Shout out. Okay, my turn.
Go ahead.
I got that, and it says night and once again the while. What does that say?
It literally does say the while I wait for you, cold wind turns into rain.
Okay, and it's got some Asian symbolism on it, and then on the back,
it says it again. Night and once I wait. What in the world is up with these?
Honestly though, if you want to start something like this, Kawaii products are amazing selling products, and I don't really consider this to be kawaii, but in some sense it is kind of kawaii-esque.
My whole thing is like, how do you market this, right? Like, I'm wondering if everything that we're looking at is being purchased because they're familiar with like the brand, right? It's that symbol, because the symbol's on the front and the back, and maybe that's why they're purchasing it. Like, go ahead and open another one. I'm gonna look this up.
Yeah, but at the same time too,
what?
it's like, do you remember that milk carton shirt with the strawberries and all of that Asian writing on it that went massively viral in 2022? Do you remember that? It was like a pink milk carton with all this Asian writing on it.
We know kawaii is a good design stuff.
Yeah, you see? So it's like kawaii. This is a True Religion shirt. I don't know what that is, but it's actually very soft. It feels very...
True Religion's like a popular ass brand.
Comfort Colors. Well, it's True Religion.
But that looks like a bootleg True Religion if you ask me. Show the camera.
It's got the brand.
Oh, it says it in the tag, but I mean that like design and everything just looks janky. It's like a...
But it has the TM on it. It's got the trademark.
Yeah, but you know what I mean.
I don't know.
Look at that.
Yeah, it looks very plasticky.
This looks like...
whoever they got to do this...
This looks, not great.
Yeah, agreed.
In terms of quality.
But then it's like, what if someone's gonna sell a bootleg thing of it, are they really gonna go through the effort of ironing on the label?
Yeah.
They would?
Yeah, the factory, Printful does it.
Have you figured this out yet?
It looks like a game. That's what keeps popping up, like ev.io, but I don't know, it didn't really get, like maybe someone just like one-off made this shirt with that symbol because Google's not really recognizing it for the kawaii shirt.
It is kind of kawaii-esque. Okay, next one.
All right, let's go. What does it say?
It says poison.
Oh yeah, break it down.
What are your steps? Watch your step.
One thing that I like about this shirt is like if you ever do like the really big designs, you have to find a way to like make it, well, you either have like hard edges on the edge of the design where it fades into the shirt, or you kind of like transition it with a distressed effect, which they executed nicely on this design.
Yeah, I agree with that. It's not like a confined box square design. Also, another big trend, and I know most of you guys don't think it, but shirts with large animal faces on it. My little brother wears them all the time. You know, like the monkeys or the elephants or whatever, just like really blown up animal heads on shirts. But typically they're on like tie-dye shirts or something, which Printful and Printify have those on.
The trend is you make them using AI and they're doing selfies with UFOs in the background. That's the trend.
What?
That's the trend. No, for real, that's the trend.
Okay. You
got the next one ready? Yeah. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, they're always in like the top 10, top 20 on Amazon merch.
Okay, I got a Michelangelo graphic tee.
All right, and that, by the way, the last shirt was PacSun, the poison shirt. This does not necessarily have a brand on it, so it's just Michelangelo Creazione di Adamo. Okay.
I think it's just a shout out
Based
to
on
an
the painting,
artist.
yeah. All right, next shirt I have is blue. What does it say?
Night Ride.
Night Ride. So
Through
it's got
the
a horse.
storm. Yep.
Kind of like the similar thing with the fading into the background effect. Horses and PacSun. I was gonna guess PacSun because it had the same kind of like design effects that the Poison Snake shirt had. So
Yeah, I like it.
PacSun, man, haven't heard from them in a while.
Okay, my last shirt. Oh, I got a different La Familia.
Okay.
This one also has a rose.
All right. Look
So
up the
it
La
seems
Familia
like
brand.
La Familia stuff that could be a good, like, you could knock that off.
All right, we were able to find the shirt on Mercari. It looks like it's being resold for like $9 in case anybody was curious. So it's not some like super high-end fashion brand. La Familia, I guess, is a brand though.
It is.
Kind of random. All right, and then for the final shirt, we have a tie-dye shirt. You invoked it for your brother. Somehow you knew. Tie-dye shirt. Love the colors. It's got a little troll there sitting on top of a special mushroom, I'm guessing.
Yes.
Maybe not, I
love
don't know. Is it special mushroom?
I think it's open for your own personal interpretation.
Because it looks like the normal troll brand that you see being marketed to kids, but
It's also on a tie-dye shirt. Totally my vibe.
yeah, cool. Well, you can sell the tie-dye shirts, by the way, through Printful, just saying. I haven't made a habit of it, but there are some niches where it's like tie-dye shirts are what's called for.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, 100%. I was selling tie-dye shirts off of Printful for a while with that crazy eyeball thing.
oh yeah,
That
your
is-
eyeball niche?
Yeah, remember the tie-dye hats too? They do sell tie-dye hats, winter.
They do. Cool. All right, Mariel. Well, that was cool. Thank you for doing that, purchasing the t-shirts in the Lost Luggage. And if you guys want to see more of stuff like that, you got a whole YouTube channel full of it. Tell them about it.
Yes, so we do Amazon returns palettes, lost mail, lost luggage, all sorts of fun stuff like that. But it's good. We get a lot of fun stuff.
Yeah, it's meant to be an entertaining channel, and we do our best to make it entertaining. So I'll make sure to link to that in the description, first link, and right here in the YouTube cards. But thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.